3 men were reportedly gunned down in Dunkirk in Kingston on Monday morning. There is currently a strong police military presence in the community. Reports reaching Observer Online are that the deceased were standing along Bay Street in the East Kingston community when they were shot by armed men in a motor vehicle. The incident happened shortly after 11 a.m. The victims are yet to be identified. More details to come. The St. Catherine South Police are still searching for a group of gunmen who fatally shot a man after pushing him from a vehicle into a roadway in Reed's Pen in Portmore. The deceased remains unidentified. The body is about 5 feet 8 inches long and was dressed in a black hoodie, white merino blue shorts, and black sneakers. The incident happened on Thursday night. The police report at about 9:30 p.m. the man was a passenger in a motor car, and upon reaching a bridge near the Hibiscus Drive in Reed's Pen, he was pushed from the car into the roadway. Another vehicle reportedly drove up and the occupants alighted and fired several shots, hitting the man several times. The police were summoned to the scene. Upon arrival, the man was found on the side of the road with what appeared to be gunshot wounds to the head and upper body. He was taken to Spanish Town Hospital where he was pronounced dead. The Jamaican authorities are reporting that another group of Asians have arrived on the island. The group, said to be about 30, including men, women, and children, arrived aboard a small boat at Long Bay, Portland on Sunday afternoon. They are the third group to arrive in the island since the summer. Video footage of their arrival shows several of them changing their clothes, and reports are that a number of them attempted to flee in different directions before rounded up by the police. It is believed that some of the Asians who arrived on Sunday were among the group that came here in September and were quickly sent back, much to the charging of human rights groups. The Asians are fleeing violence and economic hardship in their country, which have been made worse since the assassination of President Jovenel Moïse in July 2021. Meanwhile, the group of 29 Asians who arrived in Jamaica in July and were facing deportation before applying for asylum are still awaiting decision from the Jamaican government.